Linking your bank account to Diligent is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances more effectively. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Create or log into your Diligent account. Visit the Diligent website or open the app. If you already have an account, enter your credentials to log in. If you are new, follow the prompts to create a new account. Step 2. Navigate to the banking section. Once logged in, look for the banking or financial management section in the dashboard. This is typically found in the main menu or settings area of the application. Step 3. Select Link Bank Account. In the banking section, find the option to link a new bank account. Click on this option to start the linking process. Step 4. Enter your bank details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information. This may include your bank's name, account number, and routing number. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Verify your bank account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to Diligent. You can now manage your finances more efficiently through the platform.